Today I'm going to show you how to get a case out of your barrel if the head has been separated off of it. Okay, so you can see that case stuck down in there. The head broke off. So the easiest way is you take a cleaning brush. Now this is much bigger than the 22 caliber barrel in there, and you're going to just stick it down, kind of twist it in. Sometimes you have to do it a couple times. Okay, and then there you go. Your case comes out. You can always try bigger if it's not coming out, and that usually will get it out every single time, and you can just keep this in your range bag. There are a couple other things you can do. You can either get, if that doesn't work, you can get a round tapered file and kind of push that in there and kind of screw it in and then pull it out. And if that doesn't work, you can take a couple of patches on and shove them down the barrel up until near the end of where the case is stuck, and then you can fill the case that's stuck with either epoxy or hot lead. I prefer hot lead because it's not going to make as big of a mess, and I got a bunch of that lying around. And then you can tap it out from the other end. But typically I found that this works just fine, and you can throw one of these in your range bag and get your cases unstuck. Okay guys, so hopefully that is helpful, and please, if you have any other ideas or how to get cases unstuck, put it in the comments below. Also, next week we're going to be talking about why it happens and how to avoid it.